Hello there everyone, welcome to another special video, and today's video I'll show you how to make Facebook avatar, which is a new trend on Facebook and it's got already viral on Facebook. So you can make this avatar through the many ways, but I'll show you the simple and most easiest way. So before I start the video, I'd like to request, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you have already done, thank you so much. So let's get started the video. To make this avatar, you have to go to the Facebook app. You have to search here avatar Facebook. As you can see, there are a lot of people already made this avatar. So to make yourself an avatar, as you can see, here's an option called try it. You have to click here and it's already loading your avatar. I have already made it, that's why it's already done. I will show step by step. First of all, you have to select skin tone. What is your skin tone like? It's dark, it's white. So you are taking this skin color, and after that you have to click here hairstyle, short, medium, long. This is totally up to you what kinds of hairstyle you have. For example, this is mine. I can select this one. You can, if you wanted to change it in a long hair, you will click the long. Here's a long hair available. Then you have to click here. This is the hair color. For example, I'll select this one. Then face shape, what kind of face you have to select here. For example, I'll take this one. No, this one best. Okay, you can choose your one. Then you have to select complexion. If you have any complexion in your face, you can select here. I don't have any on. This is line. If you wanted to use, you can use this line. Then eye shape, what kinds of shape eye. There's a lot of option. Eye color, makeup. If you wanted to have some makeup, then you can do as well. Here's eyebrow. For example, if I take this one, wow, no, this make a little bit weird. I will take this one. Yeah, this one is good. Then color, then eyewear. You can wear some glasses here. Then here is color. No, this color is not available. Now you can see there, here is nose option. What kind of nose you have? Lips, color. This is your lip color. And here is some facial hair. If you wanted to have some facial hair and different kinds of style, it's already available here. Then it's your body shape, what kinds of shape you have. If you are too fat, then you can choose this one. If you are fit, then you can choose this one. Then you have some outfit, very amazing outfit there available. Wow, it's a Punjabi. If you wanted to classic, if you wanted to have some yo-yo type. So there are a lot of outfit here you can choose. Now head over, if you wanted to put something in your head. No, I'll take this one. And after that, after everything you select by your choice, then you have to click done. And this is your avatar. This is the new way to be you on Facebook and Messenger. Then you have to click the next, another next. Then you can choose what types of posts you wanted to select. For example, if you wanted to choose this one or this one or this one, you can share it to in your newsfeed. Just click here, share to newsfeed. If you click here, it will directly share on your Facebook timeline. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question regarding this video, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much.